Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. These are instructions for your assignment. So you're going to go to Teams, you're going to go to Assignments, and then you're going to click on what is a virus. That is the assignment we're going to be working on. You are going to open up the document, complete all tasks. Make sure you scroll all the way down to complete everything, and once it's completed, make sure you click Turn it in. I believe it's up here somewhere for you. So you're going to go ahead and click on this to open it up. Sorry, my internet's slow. Okay, so make sure to complete each task on this document. What you're going to do is you're going to watch the video and answer the questions. So I'm not sure if on Teams you can actually watch the video that's embedded, and if not, go ahead and click on the YouTube link. And do not forget to hover your mouse over the link. If you're on a desktop, you're going to click the control button on your keyboard and then click your mouse button to open up that YouTube link for you. If you're on a phone, you should be able to just click the link. You're going to take 5 notes and complete sentences from the video, and then you answer those 2 questions. When can a virus reproduce, and how does your body protect you from the virus? Then task 2, you have a little word bank here and a text. So you're going to open up the text. Again, you're going to control click, so use your keyboard control button and your mouse to click on it, or your hand if you're using a cell phone. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to an article. It's going to look like this. Okay, you can even listen to the text to make the font bigger if you need to, or print it. And if you want to read it in Spanish, you can also do that here. You're going to read the text. And that's pretty much it. After you read the text, you go back to your document and you're going to fill in the word bank. So you have the following vocabulary words: germs, virus, DNA, RNA, and white blood cells. You're going to type in your definition here. Type your definition here. And you're going to do that for each one. If you cannot find the definition on the text, you may research the definition on your own and just try to write it in your own words. Okay? I also want you to write down 3 new things that you learned about the text that you read. In complete sentences, please. Complete sentences. When you type, right, you're going to type your answer here. And you all may as well highlight your answer and just change the text color so you know that that's what you wrote down. Preferably a darker color, like a dark blue or a dark purple, and then I can easily see which ones you typed and what I did. You can also do that for up here, right? So you're just going to click here, you're going to type your answer here for each one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and type your answer here. Okay? Just going to type it in there. Then the next task you have after you complete that, you have another video to watch. Again, if you cannot click it within the Teams, the video that's embedded there, you can click the YouTube link. Do not forget to control click. I want you to write down 3 observations about the germ transfer you saw in the video. So you're going to write them here on the bullet points and then answer the 4 questions. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to need to post your answer to a discussion question that I'm going to post on Teams in the post section. After you post your answer, you do need to reply to 2 other student responses. So I'm just going to show you where to go. Okay, you're going to go back to your Teams for science, and then your period. You're going to click on the post button. And I'm going to post a discussion question. So discussion question, I'm just going to put it here. And I'm going to type it out, and I'm going to click enter and post it. Once it's posted, you're going to click the reply button, and you're going to type in your answer. After you type in your answer, make sure you click enter. Do not post a new post, okay? I'm going to delete it, and I'll delete your answers. So after you reply, make sure you reply to 2 other students, so you can get full credit for it. Any other questions, feel free to DM me on my teacher Instagram. Feel free to email me or send a message through Remind. Go Bears and have a great day.